I put the pressure on him.
Thank you, Ralph. Thank you,
I put the pressure on him.
Me.
I put the pressure on him. Stepping on him like he's stuck in the sand. These niggas not your homie. Been around cause he really a fan. Don't plot, get you hit with your mans. Have him stiff like he just popped a Zan. I put cards, I ain't talking a scam. I'm an artist, I don't pay it on the cam. I put the pressure on him. Stepping on him like he's stuck in the sand. These niggas not your homie. Been around cause he really a fan. Don't plot, get you hit with your mans. Have him stiff like he just popped a Zan. I put cards, I ain't talking a scam. I'm an artist, I don't pay it on the cam. Losing my mind, questioning faith. Fuck a deal, wanna get out of state. Try a nigga, then I guess it's your day. Run down, better go get your strap. Beat a nigga till I watch him collapse. This ain't rap, what I'm talking is facts. Chitter chat, why these niggas be mad? Top scholar, I'm just deep in my bag. Fuck a deal, I can't wait. I gotta get it, put food on the plate. I was jigging, couldn't eat, buy a drink. Tryna cop a big house with a lake. Fuck being rich, I just wanna live great. Get my people out of hood, out of state. Tryna see another day, always gotta watch for the jakes. Eyes low, stay low, gotta get to the cake. I ain't really tryna see another way. Everybody gotta die one day. All this pain in my heart gonna stay. Ice cold, you can feel it in my veins. These niggas not your homie. Been around cause he really a fan. Don't plot, get you hit with your mans. Have him stiff like he just popped a Zan. I put cards, I ain't talking a scam. I'm an artist, I don't pay it on the cam. I put the pressure on him. Stepping on him like he's stuck in the sand. These niggas not your homie. Been around cause he really a fan. Don't plot, get you hit with your mans. Have him stiff like he just popped a Zan. I put cards, I ain't talking a scam. I'm an artist, I don't pay it on the cam. I put the pressure on him. Stepping on him like he's stuck in the sand. These niggas not your homie. Been around cause he really a fan. Don't plot, get you hit with your mans. Have him stiff like he just popped a Zan. I put cards, I ain't talking a scam. I'm an artist, I don't pay it on the cam.
scared.